Hi students, I hope everything's going really, really well. We're going to start on day 18 work. Here we go. We're going to start with warm-up 145. Number 1, it says write the word with a capital letter. So let's read the question together. Is the dog black or brown? 2, add punctuation. Is it raining? Do you need a question mark, a period, or an exclamation mark? Number 3, write the plural noun. Remember, plural means more than one. The poles are tall, or the pole are tall. And last one, number 4, nose, fill in the missing letter. On the back, you can do your 100s chart, or you can use your plastic sheet. We're going to use this cutting page today. It's for the ending sound for in, n, and for l, oo. So let's go over, I already cut the first one for us. It's mitten. You're going to glue it and write your word underneath. Let's look at the rest of them. Balloon, spill, bell, pin, whale, fan, can, shovel, and shell. Your next job, we have page 237. And what they want you to do with this one is just to play a game. So if you have a dice or something at your house that you can roll, or you can even use on your phone, if you just put in dice, it'll bring up a dice like we do in class sometimes, and you can click on it. So you're going to start, and then you're going to kind of move across. I think to make this a little bit more useful for us, wherever you land, make a word to go with that thing. So if I rolled a 3, 1, 2, 3, because it says start, so you're starting here. I land at jar, I'm going to write the word jar. If you land at a letter, like maybe I rolled a 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if I landed on W? Then I'm going to write a word for W. I'm thinking of the word win, in. So you can keep playing like that. On the back, what they want you to do is just to connect the pictures with their ending sounds. So let's say the pictures together. Pig, axe, dog, box. Pig, I know ends with a G, so I'm going to do pig for you so you can see what you're supposed to do. You're just supposed to make a line from pig down to the letter G like that. And then you can do the rest by yourself. Our math page today is page lesson 10.5, and we're identifying, naming, and describing cones. So on this side, we're going to make some pictures of a cone shape. We all know the ice cream cone, so I'm going to put an ice cream cone first. And I'm just drawing the cone part of it, making my little lines. I like the waffle cones. I don't know what kind of cone you like, but that's the one that usually is this shape. Another thing I know that's the shape of a cone that I see a lot is a party hat. So that one I'm going to make like this, and I'm going to make my little string that goes on your face. Maybe you can even put a little face on there if you wanted to. And that's pretty good for cone. If you can think of more, you can go ahead and draw more. On the side that's not a cone, I'm going to put a sphere shape, and I'm going to make it a ball. Just like that. And another shape I know that's not a cone, I'm going to do let's do a cylinder. So I'm going to make another can right here. And you can make it a can of whatever you want. I'm going to make mine peas. All right, next page. They want to know if a cone has a flat surface. On the bottom, if you have a cone, you can see that it's flat, so we're going to circle flat surface. And the sides, you can roll them, they are curved. So we're going to also do curved surface. They give us another shape, a cone. They want to know how many flat surfaces. It's just 1, so we're going to put 1. Flip it like a pancake. On the side, they want us to find the cones and put an X. So I'll do the first one. I see this block right here is shaped like a cone. You find the rest of them. On our very last page, we have a little quiz. So this you're supposed to be doing by yourself. So on number 1, they want you to put an X on the shape that's a cylinder. If this is a cylinder, put an X. If this is a cylinder, put an X. And if this is a cylinder, put an X. On number 2, they want you to color the sphere. So if this is a sphere, color it. If this is a sphere, color it. Same thing, this one or this one. On number 3, they want you to color the cube. So look at the shapes, color the one that's a cube right here. Down on number 4, they want you to draw lines to match it to the shape. So you have to take this dot and match it to a shape below. So if this is a cube, the ball right here, you're going to match it from the ball to the cube. If it's a sphere, you're going to go like this, match it to the sphere, and you have to keep going for each shape. Our next job today. Again, this is just extra. So if it's too much, it's okay. Do it with a brother or sister or talk to mom and dad if it's too much. It's okay. So this time they're giving us 3 numbers. So we're going to ignore this side right now. We're going to start with our ones column. So 3 plus 0 is 3, plus 6 would be 9. And then 5 and 1 is 6 to give us 69. And then our next one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to ignore our 10s right now. We start with our 1s. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Then I move to my 10s. So 6 10s plus 1 10 is 7 10s, and 7 10s plus 1 10 is 8 10s. Gives me 88. And last one I'm going to do with you, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 0 is 7. And then I move to my 10s. 4 10s plus 2 10s is 6 10s, plus 2 more is 8 10s. So I get 87. When you're finished with that, our animal for today that we're looking at is a raccoon. Remember, you're looking at all the resources. You can use mine to help you, but I would love if you can get some different ideas on your own. Let's read it together. It says, raccoons can live in forests. They eat plants and animals. They are nocturnal. Raccoons live in many places. They even live in Moreno Valley. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care. Bye.